Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm your host Velvet, and today we're going to be talking about a new site. It's called SurveyJ, and you basically can earn money by completing different tasks. You can earn money by posting, you can earn money by referrals, and I can honestly say that this website is very easy and user friendly. Okay, so I signed up yesterday under a friend, and I right now my balance is $240, and my total earnings is $240. Okay, I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you guys can sign up. And it says here, share this link and earn $2 for every person who clicks on the link. Earn an additional $15 when they sign up. Okay. Tip: other members are 10 times their earnings by using our invite section. So when you invite your friends, you earn a lot more. You earn 10 times. You can, as you see, I've done 2 surveys. The surveys are very easy, you guys. So I'm going to show you right now. So this is like the survey center. Download and test free apps and games or complete click surveys to earn added to your account within 5 to 10 minutes. Reminder, you earn 20% of the money your referrals make from SurveyWall, so encourage them to do offers from SurveyWall. Okay, so these are the apps that you're required to install and open, or do any extra requirements they ask of. So right here they have Stash. You earn $40. You just install it, create an account, and register with valid info. And you have to be a new user, and you have to be 18 years old or older. For Lucktastic, you have to install it, play 5 scratch cards, and download 1 app from the Waffle Wall to unlock the content, and then you'll get $40. Sam's Club, I tried to install this on my device, but it said it's not compatible. Same thing with Stash. This app is not compatible with my device. I've already tried to install both of those. Maybe it'll work differently for you. Coinmaster, I've already told you guys, Coinmaster is a great app. You guys really should think about installing it and completing Village 3 to unlock your content. You'll get $40 for that. This is a really fun game. I really recommend you guys play it. Do this offer. It's very easy. iHeartRadio, you install it, open and listen to 80s radio to earn $40. I did the Angie one already, and I got credited. Okay, so here are the surveys. You just enter your email. You do exactly what it says, and you get the points for it. Okay, so over here, I'm going to show you guys. You can earn through your invites. Basically, you go to Instagram and you do what it says. You do what it says. You can either post. You can set up your Instagram. You can post it on. You can invite people from your Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, WhatsApp, TikTok. There's tons of things you can do on this website. This is a very different website that I have ever heard of. It actually is user friendly, like I said. Here's the survey wall, like I told you guys. And social media post rewards. So for everything, when you guys submit a post, you actually get paid and credited for it. So for every social media post that you, like I'm doing one right now. I'm doing the YouTube video right now. That's basically why I'm doing it, because I want to get this out to as many people as possible, because I've done a lot of sites, and so far SurveyJ is one of the best ones. So the daily reward, you basically got to, once you complete your daily tasks, you have to come in here and claim it. So once you complete offers, you come in here and you claim it, okay? And I've claimed one already. So I need 3 invites to claim this one to redeem the $30. I need 1 offer. I need to complete 3 offers, and I need complete 3 offers for this one. I need 1 more offer to get this one. I have to get five invites to get the $50 one. I need to complete 5 offers for this one. I need to do 3 more offers. 10 invites. I need to invite 10 people to get $100. And this one's $500 right here. So for $100, and then complete 10 offers, 8 offers needed to get the $1,000 one. Just remember, after you complete your offers, come back to where it says daily reward, daily dollar reward, and make sure you claim it. I claimed mine today because I completed this today. And every now and again, you're going to see here pop up at the bottom of the screen someone who got paid from the app, from this website. So it does pay. So let me go to cash out and show you guys. So it says to prevent cheating and spam, you must meet the following requirements for your first cash out. So I've done 33% of my surveys. So I'm gonna start referring people and posting on Instagram and Facebook and possibly also Twitter. I don't have any other, those are only the 3 social media sites I have. But so far, I'm really liking SurveyJ, and I'm going to show you guys something else as well here. Let's go over to the FAQs. So I know you guys have questions. So why are there cash out requirements? There have been a growing amount of malicious users creating fake accounts, receiving fake clicks, referral invites, and sign-up bonuses, then cashing out and getting paid. This hurts both our platform and our honest members. Our cash out requirements help us combat the fraudsters and while helping our users grow. So basically, do not create a fake account. Do not use a bot to get clicks. Make sure that everything you do is 100% honest and legit. Okay? How soon can you receive your payment? We believe that getting paid shouldn't be a hassle. Once you cash out, your payment will be scheduled and you will receive it immediately based on that payment schedule. So basically, you're going to have a payment schedule date, and whatever date it says you're scheduled to be paid is when you're going to get your money. Okay? So if you sign up today and you do everything you're supposed to do, and you cash out and it says you're going to receive your payment by the end of this month, then that's when you're going to receive it. Okay? And make sure I've talked to you guys about this before, but make sure when you're completing offers, you do everything it says and that it's asking you to do, because you want to get credited for every offer you do, and you guys don't want to have to be contacting them if you did everything you're supposed to do and it didn't credit, you can contact them. But just make sure you follow the instructions and you should be good. So when you want to select your payment method, you're going to click on payments. You're going to come over here and choose your payout method. And then once you do that, you'll be good. And once you get everything done, you'll be able to redeem and cash out your money. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm going to leave the link in the referral link in the description below, so you guys can sign up and start earning your money today. And I'm going to start posting on Instagram and Facebook, so make sure you look out for that as well. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like SurveyJ as much as I do, and I'll see you guys in future videos.